there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the popcorn stitch. It's a bold puffy texture that looks amazing in blankets, pillows and even accessories. For this tutorial I'm using a lightweight yarn and a 4mm hook. You can use any yarn, just match your hook size. Start by chaining an even number. I will do 22 chains for the sample. This part is optional, but a row of single crochet gives us a nice even base to work on. Let's begin. Turn your work, chain 1 and a single crochet into the first stitch. In next stitch, work 5 double crochets all into the same stitch. Now take your hook out of the working loop. Insert the hook into the top of the first double crochet of the group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grab the loose loop again and pull it through. That pops the group into a tight little ball. Then single crochet into the next stitch. Then popcorn stitch in next stitch. Again make 5 double crochets. Insert the hook into the first double crochet of the group, grab the loop and pull it through the first stitch, and then single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat that across the row. next row, just do single crochet across or follow your pattern to keep adding popcorns where you want them. And tips for beginners: don't pull your loops too tight. You will need a bit of room to insert your hook back into the first stitch. You can use 4 or 6 double crochets instead of 5 to make smaller or bigger popcorns. And that's how you crochet the popcorn stitch. It adds so much personality to your work. Try it out in a baby blankets or even a fun pouch. If this helped, give us a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crochet tutorials. See you next time, where we will learn how to crochet a cluster stitch. See you there.